Hi, I'm Belinda and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an organic sanitizing hand wash using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log into the program and select the Organic Formulations tier, and then select the Body Wash Foaming Organic Formula Build. Now, one of the really important things to remember about making a sanitizing hand wash is the sanitizing action is actually coming from washing your hands for 20 seconds. So what we're going to do is make a really lovely, mild formula that won't dry out your hands, is very mild on your skin so that you can wash for 20 seconds to get that sanitizing action. We're going to use the body wash build, but we're going to use the low inputs of surfactants to keep it really mild on the skin. First, I'm going to pick my water alternative, and to make this really mild on the skin, I'm going to select aloe vera juice. And I'm going to use this at 40% in this formula. I'm going to select my chelating agent, and this will just help boost the preservative efficacy of this formula. I'm going to add some calendula extract, organic, and this is to give some conditioning benefits to the formula. And so that it's really mild on the skin, I'm going to include this at 5%. Next, I'm going to pick my primary surfactant, and to keep it really mild, I'm going to use the sodium cocoa glutamate. And I'm going to keep the input really low, 10% in this formula. I'm going to pick my non-ionic surfactant next. And I'm going to pick the caprylyl glucoside. Again, it's all about mildness in this formula and getting a really nice foam. I'm going to input this at 6% because it helps boost the mildness of the formula and the foaming activity. Next, I'm going to pick a superfatting agent, and I'm going to use the Symbiosolve Clear Plus. And I'm going to input this at 5%. I'm going to pick some essential oils now. Now, these aren't really going to be providing any of the sanitizing benefits, but they're going to make the product smell nice. I'm going to use some lemon essential oil and some tea tree essential oil. Please remember, these aren't providing the sanitizing activity, and don't use lemon in a leave-on product. They're just going to make it smell great. Next, I'm going to pick my antioxidant. Now I'm going to pick my humectant. I'm going to pick glycerin because it's going to help make the product feel really mild on the skin, and it's also going to help boost foam in the product. I'm going to use this at 8%, and then I'm going to use some xanthan gum to build the viscosity of this formula. Finally, I'm going to put in my preservative to give it a good shelf life. Now I can click on Generate Method, and here is my formula, and here is my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make your own organic sanitizing hand wash using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get creating your own organic and natural formulations. Happy formulating!